Hey guys, Logesh Nico here. Have you bought a second generation Nissan Leaf and then wish it had the cargo cover in the back? I know I did. I bought a 2020 S Plus, brand new. Because it was an S model, it didn't come with a cargo cover. You know, you got to pay another $8,000 or $10,000 for the SL or SV to get a cargo cover, which, you know, I wasn't going to do that because I only wanted was the big battery, and I didn't need all the other fancy stuff like the Pro Pilot and cargo cover and everything else. I'm a pretty basic guy. So, but I really wanted a cargo cover because sometimes, you know, privacy is nice back there. And I did research, I looked, $200, $300, $400 for a cargo cover, it just to me wasn't worth it. So for whatever reason, I decided to check on Amazon and see what I could find. And there is a seller selling a cargo cover for under $100. I thought, well, that might be worth trying. So guess what? It just came. So let's open her up, see what it looks like in here. Then we'll go install it in the car, see how easy it is to put in the car and see how it looks. Note, there is some damage to the corner of this box. Now, the gal that delivered it from Amazon, I got a video of her chucking packages down my sidewalk. I'll play it right here for you. Not too happy with the service of my local Amazon drivers. Luckily, what she chucked there was just a package of rubber gloves. So they didn't break anything, but again, that's poor service. Anyway, that's hopefully it didn't damage the cover here. It looks like they retaped it a bunch, and a bunch of tape stuck to it. So I don't know if it was the delivery driver that did this, or it may have happened at the packaging center. Damn. Nice bubble wrap. Let's see if I can just slide her out of here. Of course not. So let's try to. There we go. It's got the felt. Let me look at the corner where it looked like there was damage on the box, and does not appear to be damaged. So it does have the clip-in areas on the side. Set this down. It has the strings to open with the hatch. So stop the camera, we'll go outside, put it on the car, see how she does. All right, here we go. I'm gonna see how this thing fits in here. So I'm gonna slide it back, clip down there nice. Clip down there nice. Nice that this already has the hardware, and Nissan didn't eliminate the hardware for the non-SV and SL models. So there we go. That's all. Let's see what it looks like when I close it. I like it. There you go. I'm going to end this video with some pictures of close-ups of how it looks from the inside, from the outside, through the glass, so you guys can see it. It fits like a glove. It looks like it's OEM. I like it. Link in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video, as I am now going to start putting out more and more content and doing reviews on products like this and doing more EV stuff and whatnot. So again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you soon.